For those of you who forgot to water your hanging baskets or other planters, we have a little summer watering tip for you. Occasionally, if you forget, your pots can get super dried out and that soil tends to shrink and you're left with a little space around the edge side. So when you go to water it, that water just runs off. So what you can do to rehydrate that soil is to take your hanging basket, take a bucket of water that's filled up with there, and just set it inside, and that water will soak up through the soil and help rehydrate that soil like a sponge. And so after a couple hours, you can go back through, make sure the soil is all wet, and then you can kind of just push that soil back around the edge. And then your basket will be rehydrated and be able to soak up water for the next time. Just take it out of the water, hang it up, and that's our tip, is how to summer water your baskets.